Ratchet Wrenches intro, take one. Fire. What's going on, everybody? Ratchet Wrenches is back for another video today, and we're doing a vlog style. We're going to be doing HIDs on the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. So we're going to prove to you, or not prove to you, but we're going to show you guys why it's worth every penny to upgrade. Every single penny.
Because the Jeep headlights stock, the Wranglers, Cherokees, anything like that, they're not good at all. So we got a quality set of HIDs today we're going to be putting on, and we can't wait to see the results. Hope you guys enjoy as well. So we're just going to start it up.
Yeah. We're going to do something a little different. We're not going to do a step-by-step tutorial. So if you guys like this, let us know. If you like the tutorials, strictly, let us know as well. But we're going to be running out of daylight, so let's get into this now. Alright. See you on the inside. Oh, that one's cool. I like that one.
I made it.
Wow.
I want to show you the regular headlights here that are stock and they're not on. Yeah, that was a big fail. Alright, so as I was saying before, I want to show everybody the stock headlights on the Jeep Cherokees. These are similar to the Wranglers, and they are just not bright at all. Very dull. Especially at nighttime, it's very difficult to see. We're going to be putting some bright 6K white HID headlights. We'll leave all the links in the description below if you want to check them out if you like them. I'm going to pull it up to the garage now and show you a beam on the garage so we can kind of get that aspect. So yeah, it's going to be a very straightforward install today. It's all kind of plug and play. Alright, so here we have the stock 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk headlights. Kind of a beam on the garage for a visual here. And we'll do the after HIDs at the end of this video, so stick around. So, not that great, not that bright. Give them a little notice to open the garage. This is from in the car here. Alright, let's pull her in and get this going.
Let's see if it works. I'm hoping it doesn't hit your car. Just kidding.
That sounds good.
Yeah, you're good.
Alright, let's get into this.
That's pretty much everything for the driver's side, and then the passenger side is that mess over there.
Yep. We're just kind of laying it out though to lay the land and get everything situated before we start diving in.
So there's actually only two tools you're gonna need for this.
I like that, bro.
My bad. I was just so ready. There's only two tools you're gonna need for it, and god damn it. It's an 8mm socket and a little panel popper. And you can get the car off the ground and take the wheels off, but it's easier just to turn it and then access it through the inner fender well.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
And we took the cover off of the bulb housing. We took the bulb out. Now we're gonna install the HIDs.
Yep.
And then figure out all this wiring mess. Should literally is just plug and play. Just gotta figure out which one goes to where, how the ballast is gonna hook up to the anti-flicker module and all that stuff. So
this is getting pretty ratchet already. Trying to drill through the what is that? The rubber housing for.
It's like the dust shield that's gonna stop like condensation and shit. Yeah, it does. You really need like a taper drill bit, but I don't feel like running back to my house, so we're gonna try and do this. It's the right size.
Not the right material, like what it's meant for, but
yeah. It's not as good as how it should be, but
we'll get through it, man.
Totally not what this bit is for, but there we go.
That's it.
Damn, that's perfect.
I think that'll do. So that's one of the two, and we'll get the other one later.
So we got the little, like the silicone housing that was just where we cut open for. We're just gonna tape it up just so it stays on a little more. It's a little more secure so no moisture gets in there. And that really does hold in. We're gonna go around all four sides, or all sides, so we don't get any moisture or anything in there. But as you can see, we put the bulb and the connector through, and then we're gonna wire out the rest. All right, so we got the HID in on the driver's side. Turn that on. So as you can hear, the ballast is just cranking up, but that's very bright. Yep, very bright.
Show them this side too.
So this is a comparison. That's the stock one. So much more of a crisp, clear, bluish tint color. Yeah, it matches the DRLs, which is very good. We actually didn't need to use the anti-flicker module, or this like if the bulb indicator is out on the dashboard, like if your computer's reading it but it's on, you'll use that module. So there's a couple things as precautions that they give you, which is very nice of them. It actually took about 2 hours to fix that light, but now we're gonna do the passenger side and show you guys what it looks like.
So while Austin's working on the other side, the passenger side, I'm gonna come over here. They give you the 3M adhesive for the ballast here. So I'm gonna try and find a good spot to secure that. Push this plastic back.
Sorry.
Sorry. One more.
Crystal clear.
You done? Okay.
Clear.
So yeah, I'm gonna find a spot to secure that, and then we'll show you for reference where we're actually gonna keep it for good. So
It's clear. Yeah. There we go. High beam. So everything works. Now we're just gonna pretty much find a place to either 3M tape or zip tie the ballast, patch everything up, go for a drive, and make sure everything's working properly. So we put the 3M thick, like insulated tape, double-sided tape, on the ballast. We're gonna end up taping that to a component under there. We're gonna zip tie all the wires together, so we pretty much have it nice and neat. So if we ever have to work back in there, we'll have everything accessible, very professional and whatnot. Professional. So then we're gonna get to this side, and that's it, man. It's a super easy job. We have all this extra wires for actually nothing as of right now. I'm gonna knock on wood and hope that we don't have any anti-flicker or any bulb indicators or anything like that that go out where we'll need to get back in here and use those. We got the ballast pretty much in position now. I'm just gonna get this little relay. I'm just gonna get this backside of this double-sided tape off, but I can't seem to do it for some reason. If it's all zip tied up now,
Okay.
so like if you hear a rattle, then we're gonna have to get some 3M tape to do it, but I don't think it's gonna rattle.
All right, we got that side all buttoned up, zip tied, got the ballast hooked up via 3M tape, so it's all secured, and then we're gonna work on this side now, and then we'll pull it out and show you the result.
It looks so much better.
Alright, so here we have the stock 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk headlights, kind of the beam on the garage for a visual here, and we'll do the after HIDs at the end of this video, so stick around.
Alright, so that's regular low beams. High beams. Yeah, that's so bright. Low beams? Yeah. Night and day difference. Literally. Nighttime. Daytime was before.
Little in the car shot here. Regular. Bright. Low beam. High beam. We're gonna go for a quick drive, make sure everything works properly. If we have bumps, nothing rattles and cuts out on one side, so. All right, we are in the Jeep right now. You can see the road so much easier, and the projection of the headlights goes way farther versus the stock, and it's got that nice bright white light to it. So Danielle is the daily driver of this Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. How much of a difference right away would you say? Like, huge difference, right, with the HIDs?
Instantly I could tell, because not only does it go farther that I can see, it's also wider, and
Right.
the light is brighter itself. Like, I would always have to have my high beams on.
Especially on these back roads here.
Yeah, and I drive at night all the time. I'm in the middle of nowhere, Connecticut, like upstate New York. Like, I drive a lot, and it instantly makes a difference.
Right.
Like, I'm very
yeah, so
happy.
the projection itself goes way farther out down the road and then left and right. Yeah, so far we're loving it. No glitches or anything. All right, that's the high beam, so it shoots out quite a bit more than those crappy stock headlights. Beautiful. Oh yeah, they match the DRLs so well too. So much brighter. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but they're right, man. Pure white too. We're loving it. That is a wrap for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the headlights, the HID headlights on the Jeep Trailhawk here. I think it looks amazing, much better visual going down back roads. I think next we're either going to get HID fog lights because we like these so much, or some kind of light bar for that bull bar we installed. I'll link this up below if you haven't seen that install. HIDs, Austin GTI in the back. Complement that DRL well. You can actually see for one. Yeah.
But if you guys like the vlog style, let us know. If you have any comments or anything or suggestions or anything, just let us know.
Drop them below.
It's freaking cold, so we're going to wrap this video up. We'll see you in the next film.
Peace.